Get you pumped up for Universal. Go swimming. Alright guys, you ready? Lily, you ready? Lane, you ready? Isak, you ready?
No.
Violet, you ready?
Yeah.
Isak, why aren't you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, he's ready. He wasn't ready, but now he's ready. Ready for Orlando? We're gonna leave this cold 45 degrees. And it's gonna be 91. See you there! Ah! I'm about to surprise the kids with the car. Here we go. They don't know it's coming. This guy's taking us right here. This guy's taking us. Here's our car. A limo. The Lincoln limo.
Yeah, we're fancy.
What do you think? Isak, what do you think?
Nice.
You're supposed to hold our name tag. I didn't see it. Let's get a tour of this place.
Let's get a tour.
There's seats. Is it big?
Well, yeah.
That's not big. There's waters.
Yeah, there's water.
How big is it?
What?
How big is it?
Big as what?
Got waters,
Fresh small waters.
cups. Are there lights and music? You're in the front. What do you think, Lane? You excited? Lily, what do you think?
Start our vacation
Oh my-
or what?
You guys are awesome. Oh, look at your push. Floor, lights, fiber optics? What's this?
I'm gonna blow up the.
What's fiber optics? Is that fiber optics? We need, there's TV? Where's the TV?
Can we have a water boat?
It says TV. Lane, press all these buttons. Is there music? So did you guys ever think you'd have a limo taking you to Orlando?
No.
Guys, we're next level! Welcome to Orlando!
I think you misunderstood me because I wanted him to hold it. He had a sign with my name on it,
Yeah.
and I was hoping he would stand there and hold it. But I went over to him and I was like, "We're surprising our kids," so I think he misunderstood.
Oh.
Wait, you guys actually got this?
Yeah, Mom hooked you up, y'all. I didn't do this, Mom.
We like got it. Like, oh, great, we'll take this limo.
I know, I thought it was a smaller car. I thought it was like a smaller car.
Lane, we gotta figure out music. I don't understand this music sitch. Show me your guitar riffs. Melt your face off.
Bust through like a running back, yes I'm. Got the Holy Spirit like a power pack, get it ready more so she can't.
Lane. God, you suck.
Make my day. Make my day.
Get you pumped up for Universal. Go swimming.
Alright, we need to do something. Up in the jail.
First more person at a sack lunch. And a limo! Get him! What do we got in here? M&M's? Check. Chips. Sandwich. And a limo. I think we're here at Cabana Bay. Are we here?
Guys, we're not famous. Please walk away.
I think we're here.
That guy was getting chair.
Everybody's got it. This is Cabana Bay. Never stayed in this one before, have we? Take a little tour of Cabana Bay. See what's going on. We got our driver. Is it Eric? Thank you, Eric.
You're welcome.
All right, we're going to the lobby. Cabana Bay. See what this place is like. Bye, Limo. Bye, Limo. Hello, guys. It's Cabana Bay, guys. Ooh, nice. I like the palm trees. I like it. What? What's wrong? What are we doing here? Thank you. Ooh, look at the pool out there. It's looking nice. Pool. Got slides. All kinds of slides. We get our bracelet right now and check in. Immediately to your left is a gift shop. That's where Lily and Lila will want to go right away. Alright, we're checking out the pool. It's quite busy, doesn't it? To your right, we got some sand and looks like ping pong tables. I didn't know if this pool was going to be open. This pool is wide open. The fancy pool, the 3 tiers, is wide open, guys. The grill's open. It's nice and 90 degrees almost here. Doesn't feel too hot though. Feels real nice outside here in the sun. Atomic pools are open till, this is the atomic pool open till 8 p.m. Yes, beautiful. I like it. So here at Cabana Bay, they got these old cars. Imperial. I don't know what that is. That's cool. It's a Woody. That's very cool. Got this Chevy. And then we got this old Tesla.
Good old.
Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. I love this place. It's very cool. Chocolate Easter. We're here at the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium, waiting for our table, just looking around. Chocolate keys. Ooh. How much is that? That is $24.95. Oh yeah. That's made a mess. You got a top hat. They have cute shirts here. Toothsome. They have so much chocolate. There's your, is that macaroons? What are those called?
Macarons.
Macarons? You like macarons? You get some boots with it. Look at all the macaroons. So many macaroons. That's crazy. Yeah, cotton candy macaroons. Birthday cake macaroons.
This is coffee.
Cookies and cream coffee? They get their own coffee?
Yeah. I mean, they're whole beans.
Whole beans. I don't remember that before. There's so much chocolates. More macaroons. More macaroons. More macaroons.
Cookies and cream.
A macaroon?
Yeah.
Macaroons.
Welcome to the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium.
What's the best one?
Depends on the person. I'd say right now the moon pie shake because we're celebrating Mardi Gras.
Okay.
And they're seasonal. Woo! So enjoy, sir.
We're going upstairs. We're going upstairs. They have the fun. Yes. I love this thing.
Thank you.
Alright. I love the screen. Shoots of chocolate. I love it. I love it. Very cool. It is the brownie, but we get coffee ice cream instead because chocolate ice cream is not good. Wanna try it?
Yeah.
First bite. There you go. Taking a picture. TikTok on that thing. There you go. Did you have it in the middle? Just jab it. This is a milkshake. On point.
Coffee tastes good.
Yeah. Now my first rodeo at this place. That's a life hack right there. You get coffee ice cream instead of the chocolate ice cream, but with the brownie milkshake. It's cold. Delicious. Oh yeah. We're getting this before we get our lunch. Alright. The only ones you get macaroons, you know what I'm saying? Saw some ash pop up. I'm not sure that's FDA, look at that. I'm not sure if that goes, it's good for the chocolate. Look at all that ash. I'll still eat it though, all of it. There he is. Robot guy. There you are. I got him! Ah, I got him! Oh, he's getting me. You're so ruthless, but what? Look at that guy, he brought his waist, bunny. It was too slow, I couldn't record it. No! But it's like whatever.
The water's warm.
It's warm?
Oh yeah, first it's cold, but then once you're in for a while. Once you get used to it.
Once you get used to it, it's warm, yeah. And it's almost 90 degrees. What is it? This is 88. At 5 o'clock. They're giving the waterfall. Ah! Got him. How's this? Yeah. You like it?
No.
It's like a hot tub. It's so hot. The hot tub. Oh yeah. Why is my going in the pool? My room is over there. Hey, what? There's music underwater? Let's find out. Is that part of the hotel? There's music underwater. Where's the speaker? I heard they do that at Hard Rock. That's the hotel we're staying at Sunday night. The Hard Rock. Look at the volcano. You see the volcano up there. And we have a view of the castle. Dude, that's crazy. Let's see what song it is. Name that song. That's just. You are correct. It's the Beebs. Name that tune, Underwater. That is so nice. That's a real nice. You like it? You start liking it.
It sounds as if it's right there.
In your head. You hear it? The Beebs. To the other side of the lobby to see the water slide. There she is, boys. This pool is probably even busier than the other pool, I think. What do you think? Kind of long. Bit of a walk. Bit of a walk to this water slide. Some cabanas over here. Cabanas. Let's get the food over here. Nice pool. Yeah, they have kids area. Yes, a bit of a slide line. That's the way. Yeah, more cabanas over there. Wow, it's pretty nice.
Alrighty, go ahead, man.
All right, bye guys. Whee! It's actually pretty cool. Whoa, yeah, lay down. Get some speed going. Oh boy. Oh, here we go. Ah! It's pretty fun. See Violet or Isak? Isak coming? I think Isak. Here's Isak. Ah! Isak, hey.
I stopped twice midway.
I know, because you gotta lay down. You really want to. Oh, wait, we got Violet coming? Oh, Violet! Yeah! Good job.
Oh my gosh, that guy would get it and he would laugh.
There he goes.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Do you have any
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Do you have any grandpa?
Do you have any great poupon? No? They don't know when to pull up next. They don't want to pull up next to me.